Hey guys, I hope y'all making money and generating good profits on Pocket Option trading platform. The reason I am making this video today is that some traders in the United States were asking me if Pocket Option is legit and how the deposit and withdraw process on Pocket Option works. To answer the first question, yes, Pocket Option is legit. Let me show you guys my recent deposit and withdrawal history on my account. Here when you click Finance, you will be able to see all the available options. Let me show you what the Deposit tab does. When you click it, it will show all the available methods you can use to deposit money in your account. I normally use USDC as you see it under the Recent tab. I use USDC because it is a non-volatile coin and I don't have to worry if it rises or falls like any other volatile coin. You have many different options to choose from, including Bitcoin and Ethereum as a deposit method. Now, let's click the Finance tab again and choose Withdrawal. On the withdrawal page, we select our withdrawal method, amount, and wallet address, then continue to withdraw. Now, let's go to the History tab and take a close look at my deposits and withdrawals. If you take a close look at my completed transactions, you will see a $902.59 deposit on January 19, 2024, and 4 different withdrawals from January 22nd to January 27th. If you look at the most recent transactions around the top of the table, you will be able to see 4 different pending deposits with different amounts, which I ordered today. When the transactions are completed, the status of those transactions will also be updated from pending to completed. You can also hover and click any transaction to review the details of your transactions, the wallet address sent to or received from, and the contact support link is available here too. I hope this video cleared some confusion, and remember the US residents must use a digital wallet to deposit and withdraw money as of now. I will make another video and announce an update when payment cards are available in the US. Thanks for watching, guys.